Boo Boo, come get your horsey.
Butterscotch. 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 Come here, Booze.
Yeah, table and chairs.
Oh. Go get him. Go touch him. Go pet him. Go pet him. Here, come here, look.
It's okay, Dada will help you, baby.
Boo Boo, look. Come here. Come here, pet him. You can brush him. You want to brush him?
Brush his hair. Brush his mane.
Brush him. Come here. Look at him. You feed him? Here, Butterscotch.
Butterscotch is eating a carrot.
Butterscotch. Butterscotch. Did you get him?
Brooke, look right here. Look. Look at the saddle blanket. It says Brooke's Pony. Oh, you want to sit in your chair? Dada, she wants to sit.
Mama. Mama.
Look at you, big girl. You see the frog on there?
It's another chair. What'd you get?
Give him his carrot.
You want to feed him?
Take that side.
Feed him his carrot. Here. Here.
That's a good carrot.
Pet him.
Oh, you are too cute. She wants to get on there.
You get on him?
Oh, look at Boo Boo.
Yeah, hold on here.
Hold on to the reins. There you go.
Giddy up. Giddy up.
Brooke, what do you tell the horsey?
Come giddy up. Hold on, look at Mama.
Hi, what do you tell the horsey?
Pet him. Give him a kiss.
Give him a kiss.